Hi, my name is Yvette Garcia, and I'm a Los Angeles-based celebrity nail artist, and I'm very happy to be here with Kiss today. I actually remember the very first time that I bought the full salon acrylic kit because I love that it had everything in it and it was affordable, and to this day I still keep one as part of my kit. I also love the press-ons. I make sure to always have a few pairs either for set work or for myself. I just love that they have so many more colors, so much more designs, and definitely different pairs for all types of personalities. Some of the top trends for fall that I'm seeing is a lot of 3D elements and charms. I'm definitely seeing a lot of sparkle and glitter. I hope you guys enjoy the products as much as I do. Please follow me on Instagram at Yvette_G for a lot more fun Kiss content.